Right now, if you look at the format that's set up for the sample transcript, it is Times New Roman 11. Like, it's basically exactly what it's laid out as, right? If you look at the ruler settings, it starts here, everything happens here, right? It's very clear. Now, if I wanted to have it, actually, let's play this out. We're going to take a small piece of text and we're going to paste it right here, because this is what would actually happen if you change the format of, like, if the text in the right window was inserted automatically through Claudio in the left window, this is what it would look like. This is what it would look like. All right. Now, if I wanted this layout to change a bit so that the font here is, I don't know, it's an Arial font instead of the Times New Roman font, in the template, you are going to change it to the Arial font, this portion, this text, so that now if I went and hit Control V, the font that the text is replaced herein will change. So that's a basic font change, right? You can do the same thing for other things. If you want line spacing to change, whatever it is, you highlight this text, you change the settings to whatever you want the final transcript to look like. So if you want, I don't know, if you want like line spacing to be a certain way, you want the whole thing highlighted, you want the whole thing bolded, whatever it is you want it to look like, you would make those changes. Maybe you want it to be italicized and bolded and underlined, right? When you paste the transcript here, that's exactly how it will look. So that in the automated transcript that shows up out of Claudio, it will look like this. So once you've made your changes to how you want this block to look, you hit save, and then you go back into your profile that you're working on, click on replace file, upload it back there, and hit update, and it will actually replace the file and save it to your account.